Hi, my name is Tyler Ziegel, and I'm leaving this testimonial here for Scott Andreessen and his text funnels traffic blueprint course. Um, I run an agency, marketing logistics, and no matter what I did, who I talked to, I'd get people excited, but I just couldn't make things work. I really struggled with my offer and being clear with things, and I was at a point where I had just gotten through another, well, in Canadian dollars, it was 14,000. It was about 10,000 US dollars, short term coaching program, really world renowned. And I learned a lot from it, but it just didn't do it for me. And I got into Scott's program. I heard about it. It was referred to me from a friend who's also in the program. He told me, hey, you got to check this guy out. And so I did. Hopped in the program. It was at a point where I didn't have much going on in terms of credit that I could jump into, cash reserves. Just everything's all in on the business. And ever since working with Scott and going through the program, I've got a unique funnel, a really great way of pulling in leads almost at will. And as I get better at it, it will become more at will. I mean, this week I've sent out 3 blasts and I'm just struggling to follow up with everybody right now, which is a great problem to have. I've started closing deals from this process now, and the scripts are really great. They all work very smooth. The first time I actually used the sales script, the way it went, I just did not even have time to practice it. Just the sales call came up, I grabbed the sales script, and I literally just ran it like that, and it was cool. It was good. So as for if you're considering this program, I would definitely give it a go. I've been in 3 high ticket programs, and this one is by far the best. Thanks, Scott.